Hello all, welcome to SimpleMadeSimple.com. Now we are going to see Rule 4 of degrees of comparison. When we compare things or objects or people, the adjectives change in form. These forms are called degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees: positive, comparative, and superlative. When we compare 2 objects or persons, it comes under the comparative degree. And when we compare an object or a person with more than 2 objects, it comes under the superlative degree. Always use the for superlative and always use than for comparative. So before going into rule 4, we'll just have a recap of rule 1, 2 and 3. So the rule 1 is for one syllable words like, kind, smart, which makes a single sound when pronounced. For those words, add ER for comparative and EST for superlative. The rule 2 is when the word in the positive degree ends in E. You should add R for comparative and ST for superlative. So the recap of rule 3 is when the positive word ends in Y, you should cut out the Y and you should add IER for comparative and IEST for superlative. So coming to our rule 4, when a positive is a one-syllable word and it ends in a single consonant preceded by a short vowel, this consonant is doubled before adding ER for comparative and EST for superlative. So let us make this clear with a few examples. So the first one is thin, T-H-I-N, thin. You should double the consonant. The consonant here is N. So you should double it and add ER for comparative and double it and you should add EST for superlative. You are thin. You should eat properly. You are thinner than your mother. You are the thinnest in the team. Big, bigger, and biggest. You see a vowel I and then a consonant. You should double the consonant. B-I-G-G-E-R and B-I-G-G-E-S-T. This diamond is big. This diamond is bigger than the ruby. This emerald is the biggest of all. So fact. The vowel here is A and the consonant is T. So double the consonant and add ER for comparative and EST for superlative. I met a fat man. I am fatter than him. I am the fattest of all. Sad. The vowel is A and the consonant is D. Double the consonant and add ER for comparative and EST for superlative. So, I met a sad man. I met a much sadder man than you. You are the saddest of all men. Hot. The vowel here is O followed by the consonant T. So double the consonant and add ER for comparative and EST for superlative. This pan is hot. This pan is hotter than I thought. This is the hottest pan of all. Red. The vowel here is E followed by the consonant D. Double the consonant and add ER for comparative and add EST for superlative. I have a red jacket. This jacket is redder than that. This is the reddest of all jackets. Do check in my other videos for more rules on degrees of comparison. And do check out my website SimpleMadeSimple.com for more grammar topics. Thanks for watching.